2010 Opel Corsa with Lambda sensor codes, sensor 2. This is just a picture of a recording of a test drive, and here we have bank 1 sensor 2 after the cat, and here we have bank 1 sensor 1 before the cat. Now everything up here seems very good, but I'll just show you the data here. I'm actually there on it there now. She went maxed out at 4,375 millivolts. Now I believe that is way too high. I think the range of this sensor should be between 0 and 1 volt. So 4,375 millivolts is 4 volts, and that was on frame 3173. And I'll just show you there. If I can go back, even them numbers right there are too high. Forward. So when that sensor was on 4 volts, sensor 1 was lean on 0. We continued lean as we're going through the frames, and then it goes up to 0.8 of a volt. So that is strange numbers. Exit out of that. Let me just show you the codes we had. O2 sensor circuit. Balls, bank 1 sensor 2, bank 1 sensor 2, bank 1 sensor 2. Bank 1 sensor 2, bank 1 sensor 2, and they're all different codes. So let's go back and see. After that test it gave me a code. O2 sensor circuit range performance, bank 1 sensor 2, current history. It's looking like messed up sensor, but we come back. Yeah, numbers are a bit mental there. After cat, before cat. I think I'll put a scope on this and just make sure that these numbers are right. But these numbers are kind of a bit mad now at the moment. I think a sensor might do a second video when I get more information. Okay, the plot thickens with the Opel Corsa and the sensor Lambda sensor 2, the high voltage. I just went in here at the ECU to go testing, and the plug for the ECU is there where my hand is. And I don't know if the camera picking it up, but the thing is full of oil. And I do believe that these things suffer badly from oil pressure switches failing, and the oil travelling up the wire of the oil pressure switch and into the wiring loom and getting in here to the ECU. Now I don't know if this is the problem, but all that oil should not be there. We still could have a messed up sensor. I'm going to clean this, these terminals on the ECU and the wire side, put it back together and see does that change anything with my voltage. But that one very clean. That one, lots of oil in there. I hope that camera picks it up. Okay, thanks for watching. So the Lambda sensor after the cat, second Lambda sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, scan tool, we're in live data here, and the scan tool is giving me readings of minimum 2304 millivolts to max 4980 millivolts. Now the range of this sensor should be between 0 to 1 volt. Exactly like sensor 1 is doing here, which is working correctly. Now I went in with my scope to see live data at the sensor, and at the sensor it's actually really strange because the minimum, like the computer says, is 2.20 volts, and the max that this sensor seems to be throwing out on the signal wire is battery voltage, 13 volts, which is very, very wrong. So I think they have a messed up sensor here. Lambda sensor, bank 1 sensor 2. I've never seen this before, thought it was worth filming. And if they come across anything else here other than a sensor, we'll do a video on it. So look, yeah, thanks for watching.